in the dark magic from these files being sent from one computer to another, the arrows got chucked off. Can you see? They're here there, but they're not here on you. So we're going to have to draw them in. But actually, that will help us identify what's going on. So in this square here, I need to refer. It points up here. Now in our clock, that is pointing, so we'll say 10, it's halfway between the two. Then the next arrow points up to 12. Then the next one points at sort of 2 o'clock. And then the next one points at 4ish. Now let's put it in. So of course the one we want, give ourselves another colour to make it stand out, is a 3 o'clock arrow. So which of these does that? That gets rid of that one and that one and that one. Which leaves us these two. Now they've both got the same number of dots on each side there, so we don't actually have to do that. But let's just explain what's happening there. We've got these 5 dots. Now in the first square, that one's coloured in. Here it is. And then the bottom one, so how it goes top, and then the bottom, that also stays coloured. So it goes top, bottom, then the next one, and then it's going to have to be this one, isn't it? Which indeed we've got, but as I said, we didn't need to check that one. Now let's have a look at these little arrows here. So this points, should we get ourselves another colour? What do you fancy? Should we have a bright orange? Let's try and see. So this one here, we'll draw ourselves another clock because it points at 3 o'clock, then it points at 4 o'clock, then it points at 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So therefore we want it to point at sort of 7ish, don't we? Here we are. Our answer is E. Thank you.